The installer has insufficient privileges to access this directory error on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix this error and install your program without any issues. First solution, we will create the required folder. Open File Explorer. Open this PC. Now open local disk C drive. Click on the three dots at the top. Click on Options. Click on the View tab. Select Show Hidden Files. Click on Apply. Then click on Apply again. Open the Microsoft folder. Open the Windows folder. Open the Start menu folder. Then open the Programs folder. Now right-click on the empty space. Click on New. Select Folder. Click on Continue if it asks for permission. Type the name PowerToys and press Enter. Now move to the next solution. Open a browser. Use the recommended Edge browser. Download the registry editor file. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. Double-click on the downloaded file. Click on Run. Click on Yes. Click on Yes again. Then click on OK. Now go back to the PowerToys folder you created earlier. Right-click on the PowerToys folder. Select Show More Options. Click on Take Ownership. Click on Yes. You can also follow the full folder path from the video description. That's it. Now try installing the program again, and the error should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.